Morning to Germany. How are you, Shred? Well, this is a rustler on the top of it and a little dromedar. And as you can see, it's still short, so it's longer than a 118 and a rustler. So it's just as large as a rustler. I don't know if the picture gives it good justice, though. Sorry for all the motion. So this is the beast. It's gonna look like that. Actually, that's not yours yet because it's not in. Oh, I'm not that good at filming with only one hand. Let's see. Of course, mine is being used, but this is a two-pole brushless engine, I believe. It's 1,300 kV. Let's see. It's larger than 4 of my finger. Here in the middle, I'm sending you this gear here. It's metal. Practice with the plastic, but when you break it, change it. One good thing about this truck, this here, it's a center diff. So you got one in the back, one, oh, okay, slower. One in the back, one in the middle, one in front. So if you jump and your front wheel hit the ground, it won't log the rear wheel, okay? So that's a good thing. This is the power plant. It comes with DIN. It already has a double connection, so naturally you need to put a 4S here and one 4S here. Okay, let's take the rustler again. Basically the tires are just as tall as what your rustler is. So yeah, it's a nice little thing. You got aluminum suspension. You see here, I was going to say try to put them even, but yes, do so and give it a little bit more in the back. Okay, it's adjustable. Try not to break it too much because you don't have that many parts in Europe, but whatever you need, you know, you'll let me know. Some people say that the servo is the weak point, but I'm still on the original. I got like, used it a good 15-20 times so far. Other than my stupidity, I did at first to put some extra wire and then that it cut into the spur gear. Nothing broke on it. It's like very good. I broke 2 pins on the wheel, but then again I changed the diff for this one here, which is like very thick, but it helps for the traction, you know. I don't advise to do it, you know. The truck is okay as it comes. So this here will be coming with it, okay? And that should be good. So yeah, it's a nice big truck. Now you have a little bit more of an idea of how big it is. So yes, start making some space. I have to be like COVID-19. I have to be at 2 meters away for it to fit in my cell. It's a nice little thing, very nice little thing. Just for laugh, fast. Oh. Okay, like underneath of it is an X Max, okay? Not a Max, the monstrous X Max, and it's almost the same size, a little bit smaller, but not that much. The shredder will comport itself more like the Harma Kraton, but with less power. But as for size, as when it's coming at you, it's still a good 60 kilometers per hour. It's an intimidation factor. You'll see. Make sure you don't hit your leg with this thing full steam ahead, because you're not gonna like the result. Jana's gonna think you're very stupid if you do that. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this and have fun. Goodbye, everybody.